Hello. Hi.
Hello.
Hi, good morning. Welcome to my class.
Good morning.
Okay, so before we start, can you see me?
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, so I am teacher Mima, your online English teacher. Okay, teacher Mima. How about you? What is your name?
April.
Hi, April. Can you say, my name is April?
My name is April.
Okay, nice to meet you, April.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, very good. So, how old is April?
7.
Oh, so you're 7 years old. Okay, can you say, I am 7 years old?
I am 7 years old.
Very good. For that, I'll give you a reward. Very good, April. So, next, Lao teacher likes to sing. Okay, teacher also likes to eat. Teacher likes to eat a lot, and of course, teacher likes to dance. How about April? What do you like to do? Do you like listening to music or playing? What does April like to do?
Like to draw.
You like to draw. Very good. What else?
No.
Okay, does April like to read books?
No.
No. Okay, so now this time it's time to open the book. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So for this morning, our lesson is from Rainbow Bridge 1, Unit 1, Lesson 2. Our lesson for today is Things for School. Okay, can you say Things for School?
Thing for school.
Okay, can you say again Things
Things
for
for
School?
school.
Very good, April. Okay, now for our first page. Okay, now look at the picture. How many objects are there in the picture? Can you find and circle all of them?
I can't draw.
Cannot draw like this.
I
How about
don't.
now?
I don't have pen.
Okay, teacher will allow you to use the mouse to drag on the board for a while. Can you now draw on the board?
Hmm. No, I can't draw now.
Okay, now okay, for a while.
Yeah.
Let
Okay.
Okay, there you go. Okay, very good. Now let's find out what those things are. We have one, two, three, four, five things. We are going to learn about five things today. Okay, let's find out. Next, we have here a pencil. Can you say a pencil?
A pencil.
Very good. What is this?
A pencil.
Very good. How about this? What is this?
Pencil.
Very good, April. It's a pencil. Next, we have here a pen.
A pen.
Very good. This is a pen. What is this?
A pen.
Very good, April. Next, we have, what is this? Do you know what's this?
Ruler.
Very good. It's a ruler. What is this again?
Ruler.
Very good. How about this one? What is this?
Pen.
Oops, let's try again, April. What is this?
Pen.
Okay, this is a pencil. This is a pen. So what is this again?
Pencil.
Very
Pencil.
good. It's a pencil.
Is a pencil.
Very good, April. Okay, next we have an eraser. Say an eraser.
An eraser.
Very good. This is an eraser. What is this again?
An eraser.
Okay, very good. Say eraser.
Eraser.
Very good, April. Okay, let's go to the next page. Now look and circle an eraser. Okay, I see two erasers. So this is a small eraser, but I want you to circle the big eraser. Where is the big eraser? Nice try, April. Can you try again? Where is the big eraser? The eraser is used to erase. Where is the big eraser?
I don't know.
Okay, again. Now, remember, this is a ruler. It is used to make straight lines. Okay, and we have here a pencil. And then we have here the eraser. Okay, so where is the big eraser?
Okay.
Okay, very good, April. Okay, now let's go to the next one. Very good. Now look at the picture and say the answer, okay? What is this? The first picture. What is the first picture?
Is a pencil.
Very good. It's a pencil. Okay, pencil. Very good. Okay, there you go. A pencil. And then the next picture, what is this?
Is a pen.
Very good. It's a pen. Okay, very good, April. And how about the third picture? It is used to make a straight line. It's a
Ruler.
very good. What is it again?
Ruler.
Very good, April. It's a ruler. Okay, now how about the last picture? What is this picture?
Razor.
Very good. It is an eraser. Good job, April. Okay, let's go to the next page. Okay, now let us look and read. We have learned this four things, okay? What is this again?
Pencil.
Very good. How about this one?
Pen.
Very good. A pen. How about this one?
Razor.
Very good. An eraser. And how about the last one?
Razor.
Okay, let's try again. April, what is this one? It is used to make a straight line.
Don't know.
Okay, let me remember, if it is used to make a straight line, it's a ru.
Ruler.
Very good, April. It's a ruler. Okay. Now, since we are done with our class already, okay, you did a great job in class, and I hope you remember the things we have learned. So we were able to learn the, what's this?
Ruler.
Very good. A ruler, an eraser, a pencil, and a pen. You were able to learn those four things in school, okay? And you
Okay.
were also able to participate in our activities. Very good. Now you did a good job today, April, okay? Thank you for your time, and I want you to continue looking for things that are used for school. Okay?
Mm, yeah.
Okay. So this is a certificate for you that you did a great job today, April. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay. Bye bye, April.